Hello, today we will guide you through how to disable Conversation View in Outlook. If your Outlook inbox is grouping emails into threaded conversations and you prefer to see each message separately, this quick settings change will help. We'll walk through where to find the option and how to turn it off so your emails appear as individual messages instead of grouped threads. Begin by opening the Outlook application. Once Outlook is on your screen, give it a moment to fully load so the menu and mailbox options are visible and ready to use. Next, look toward the top right area of the screen for the Settings option. In Outlook, this is commonly shown as a gear icon. This is where many display and mailbox preferences are managed, including how your messages are organized. When you found it, click on Settings to open the Settings panel. Depending on your version of Outlook, this may open a side panel or a dedicated Settings window. Either way, you'll be looking for the mail-related options from here. After that, click on Mail. This section contains the preferences that control how your inbox behaves, including reading, writing, notifications, and message display settings. From within the Mail section, click on Layout. The Layout area is where Outlook lets you customize the appearance of your inbox and message list. This is the section that includes the controls for Conversation View and message grouping. Once you are in Layout, scroll down until you find Message Organization. Take your time here since this option may appear lower on the page depending on your screen size or Outlook version. Message organization is the setting that determines whether related emails are grouped together or shown one by one. In that section, click on Do Not Group. Selecting this option disables Conversation View, which means Outlook will stop combining related email replies into a single thread. Instead, each message will appear separately in your inbox, making it easier for some users to sort or scan messages individually. When you've made that selection, click OK or Save to apply the change. This is an important final step, because the setting may not update until it has been confirmed. After saving, your inbox should refresh or update automatically, and conversation grouping will be turned off. If you do not see the change right away, give Outlook a moment or navigate back to your inbox to confirm the new layout. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Conversation View in Outlook.